We are searching how to buy shares of Eaton Corp PLC to show the steps clearly. Eaton is a global power management company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker ETN, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we will use eToro as a neutral example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds to be able to place an order. Use the platform search box and type the ticker ETN to locate Eaton Corp PLC. Select the result that matches the company name and ticker to open its asset page. On the Eaton Corp PLC asset page, review basic company details and the price chart to confirm you have the correct listing. Check that the page shows the NASDAQ exchange and the ETN ticker. Tap Invest or Buy. Choose the amount you want to invest, then carefully review and confirm the order before submitting. If the market is closed, your order may become pending or executed as a limit order. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After the trade is placed, your Eaton position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. If you want to visit eToro, the link is in the description below.